Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics so you don't waste time later. Check Android version and security patch, plus model and build number. This matters for OEM policies. Next, enable installation from that specific source under Settings, Biometrics, and Security. Do this only for trusted packages. Then, temporarily turn off Google Play Protect and any device administrator profiles that could block installs. This avoids policy rejections. Once done, reboot if required to clear cached policy flags before continuing to the next step. Now you handle conflicts and enforcement. You should inspect the APK signature and package name to ensure it doesn't conflict with a pre-installed or managed app. Mismatched signatures trigger policy blocks. Use ADB for a controlled install, a DB install RD app. APK. Note any error code returned because codes lead you to precise fixes. At the same time, check Samsung Knox or EMM profiles in Settings or Admin Console. Those can silently enforce a policy that prevents installation, so remove or adjust the policy before proceeding. Finish by installing the verified APK and confirming app launch. Make sure permissions requested match what you expect. Once the app runs, re-enable Play Protect and any device admin settings to restore security. If the installation still fails, capture a DB logcat and package manager error messages with exact timestamps. These logs show policy denials and where to fix server-side rules. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. Then re-enroll in EMM with corrected policies so the same block won't recur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.